TV in Kazala Marita Karalam J, Akatay Nuhal M. Florence, Atunchu Trong Apuma Rangayori. Tuning Kaniku 30 Artla 2021 Kanining ni Mudubazuya, Kazak Ompu, Karong on Color Komhi, Akahongsik Manipur General Assembly Election 2022 in Basiga, Krimanjan Malarnala Wangder Pignari Kalentak, Samulamlan Village, Churachandpur District, and Leibangzo. Pu Karong on Color Komhi, Tuntak MP Tiju, Member of Raja Sabha, Kana President of IBA, PMC Maricon Pisik A. Tuninga Declaration and Blessing Program hi Reverend D. Kumar Pastor Lukumbi Baptist Church Lamkaina and Leimpangak A. Kana Saikat Constituency Assembly Nuyakom Kulak Kana Samulamlang Subdivision Nuyakom Upa Kazak Katam Taknum Lay Invay Haitia M. Akup Com TV reporter in Ahiron Trongatha Ainin and Sumri.
ऐसी नया सिपा तौर अंदाजी लगे सोना हामीरदी प्रजा तौबी लंबी यावजरगे हराव हराव याबीरे प्रजा मैम नंग देखिए चक्र नंग सुनिब तौनिबा सिबा तौनिबा प्रजागे अवाद अपा करा लेगा यंसिरो नंग देखिए लेरनो अदुना एक तबीरदी हलतुम हाबसे एक सिना वार्निंग पीरे ना ए लेटनदी सिमाना मीठर नहाय करम पार्टी देखदबना करम पार्टी जोइन तौगदबना हाय अदु पॉलिटिक्स त चंगागदि आई वखंददि कोई पार्टी बिसु वेट लेगलै अदुगो आइना एम्फसाइज तौते पार्टी दि हेना आइगी पर्सनालिटी है सिदा पब्लिक सिंग येगियो ऐसे मति जागरगदि पार्टी even party, national party versus regional party versus or without party का एक देख बता रहा है सो एक ही पर्सनालिटी के लिए ना प्रधान डिसाइड हो गई है election fight है election is not about fighting election is about contesting no election तो मतलब गिरा मैम सो police station तक खत्म कर ट्रेन पर मी असीना मैम से ऐडी के चिन्ना मैम अंगिरम अदन इलेक्शन से कॉन्टेस्ट हो से लंती चीन पर चलना है कॉम्पिटिशन है को ऐना इलेक्शन तो गे है से ऐडी के तो ईश्वर ने सुनता टिंगिरी को मैम ले सी एक कमिटमेंट पीडी ऐडी के मतलब इलेक्शन से ये है कोई प्रजा लेगा इतना प्रजा कोई केंद्र में आवाना बिल्कुल मसला अदुके दमका इसे ये है आइना इलेक्शन ये लगा वारी को इशोन निशिल कारगदि तब नया प्लान सेकंड स्टेट का पब्लिक मीटिंग में ना आगे इतना यदि ऐसी कमिटमेंट में तागिरो ऐ लेफ्टन दे देखिए दिसमान इसको ये कमी ना मैदान सो आया और पीडी ने है आजा ना पूरे लाइफ के इंगिरी बात सिनाओ इनको सुनो युक्त की रिलेशन सुनो ना कोई प्रेजेंटेशन मैदान सो मोइना राव राव ना लोग ये से आरे दर्शक टेंशन नहीं
प्रार्थना independent candidate na magdagdag na wari sa pilihan na miyaki minusi lesi hamba adubang na mag-candidate bihan liwahan na kasi pili ba nung siya na ba area sa women society leadership ni Batarta iko'y organizing committee ang may program committee na lubahan na next siya ba Liu Gangmi Mongmapai Kebun Chan Hugo Malakak Hugo Kebun Chan Pastorship yang nathaban nasi Yesu kapa nasi prayers ka api na nasi ko ni intended candidate ni ukhat na ko khamile ara प्रार्थना तो कोई न मांगता मास्टर जी की विधान का आराम पूर्ण चले तत्त लेकिन कोई इंटेंडिंग कैंडिडेट की दमकता नाई तनमर कोई न मांगता
in only sports, but why the reason behind trying to contest the politics?
See, to be very honest, my wife has a name in the field of sports. But my wife is not fighting the election, but I'm contesting the election because I wanted to do some works within my constituency. There is cycle.
Now that you have decided to enter the political fray, you are up against a very formidable opponent in the form of Mr. Tien Hauke, who is a sitting MLA for the last 4 consecutive terms. How confident are you?
See, when it comes to politics, I really respect them. I respect Uncle Tien, who has been this minister also and present sitting MLA. But I also wanted to do something from my society, and then that's why I'm choosing to enter the politics.
So can you tell me, sir, the various issues that you are trying to address? If you become the MLA, what will be the issues that you will address?
See, if I talk about all the issues and public grievances and problems of or psycho, I won't finish in 1 hour. But to be very honest, I want to have a good public relationship with the people of Psycho. And then I will ask them what is the problem. So according to the public, this relationship with me, then I'll choose what to do and not what to do.
So there are so many issues doing the rounds, like HAC bills, this and that, and then the ADC, whatever. So these pertaining to these things, what is your point of view? What is your comment on this?
See, I'm just a new politician, and then I think I doesn't have any comment on that.
So, do you look for any party forwards? Are you buying for some party tickets?
You are saying buying party tickets.
No, buying, like looking forward to any party.
As of now, in the center as well as in the state, BJP government is this present government. So not only me, everyone has seen that what BJP has been doing since so many years. So to be very honest, I will go for BJP this ticket. If I doesn't get BJP ticket, I will fight independent. I am intending candidate since BJP ko tanong mga tanim. Kaya makukumiran ka din. Ano na, tayo kung ba ay na BJP ticket, ay di once, ay di pa ni harag ito. Even independent ticket public dito magda ay magtawag na siya. Ay MLA to hoy ni have stay MLA hoy gani or minister hoy gani vision hoy lay na mga kana. Hoy ra kaso this is not for me. MLA sa public ini. Ito na ay na-contest we have election sa fight we have ay election na contestant na mo sangge.
Tuning kaniku 30 Artla 2021 kanining ni Mudung Gazuya, Komram Student Union Churchanpur District in Samulamlang Subdivision Sungak Om Student Class 10 to Class 12 Pass ke A Loman Pigna Tuju Felicitation Come Career Counseling Program hi Sagang High School Anlay Mangzo ke A Khana hiba Felicitation Anum Kazak Om Lekha Katham Katam Tak Lay into Haya ke A Khana 59 Psychot Assembly Constituency intending candidates Kazak Ompu ke oncolar num lain via student katam tak sik mathok na let man pa metrom alai darhan pe he dia com TV reporter sagang in trong an hay matlumo ke
Arang gisige ang gisiga ang kaloksit ahang partingin ati gicia bagay nete intai to wangai nete intai to gicia injai china ranga guru agatam pian songkhat pa ko atak kacang no atunin nangi zongcha hangin zong chat chi zongcha hangin zong pichi hi bagay nete anai to chi re sansari kare nai ai chere kangkar sung na tan ba din no karakter na poem cham gen nang na pangai blend to ba dain kenga kan nang comfort zone rung gan lu de changin chu akina zong cha kho atatam bat pe hangin zong duwe ta kho atak ka chang chu ranga krup bage asa to rda ngai ko kadat magai kenga kan nangum live hangin chung study ning de kara atunin mukhai na doe ta kho khabe eti gai ko hong kar kan na chi pa den chu atak chang ngai chi min sina zong cha an chi du min him rup do atak kachang ningon cha kaupa in ta kai sian durang nang zong cha kho kachang in ki tin min danang do
ta khanan kara tu achang ilum singnatinga akrasam awami chu aka basic patheneng aman darasa ajar chu pathening miraki mahit takale luset taka ape ke ai hi nature changmak me nu kuigup changmak me singna themna haing khat hi alam hi hingja ni wat om asanginu ai chu thien ka nei me ni sangja khan singna ti akwa oma changin chu singna themna ka petor ka thening khan ama kulu na darna ani sike ti pa hi number 1 I mean bible him I mean ni kui tu thena siga ni mo ke
Tuntuna imudung gazuya azing kaniku 31st Artla 2021 kanining num Komram Student Union Sisipur Kangwai Subdivision huya Khorenta Kuman Village Felicitation Come Career Counseling Program and Hangnok Sigaki Khana Hibarui Mantluk Mehi Zingdar Somvena Input Si Hibarui Mantluk na Chief Guest Ju Hai Sakome in Kazak Ompu Dr. Tinay Lentang IAS Joint Secretary Finance Vigilance and Director Vigilance Government of Manipur in KSC Khana Functional President in Pu Serto among Com President Komram Union Manipur Khana Guest of Honor in Pu M Jonathan SDO Kangwai Subdivision Khana Alag Special Guest Num and Big Sahitia Naisolan Current Akuman Com TV Reporter in Tongahimetlungake Union Public Service Commission in Allo Civil Service Examination Prelims 2021 Result Kasubzo Amiruk Chutun Kum 2021 Civil Service Prelima Aini ka Komsa Inkhat Bigle in Bay Magso Ake Taksan Kom Chu Akahongsi Akumting 2022 Chu Aini ka Komsa Num Prelims Ruk Changlo Final Katlung IAS IPS Officer Kamu Kom Sigman Tia Taksan Kom Tia Com TV Job Seeker Team and Taksan na Anhemeso Ake Atun Employment News Tuninga Anhu Employment News Inkhatna Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce Branch Officer Inkhat and Losik Essential Qualification to any graduate KSC Khana Salary in 7 Pay Scale Level 7 KSC Akum in Kum Somthum Naranga Akhe Maksi Ke Inhina All Indian Institute of Medical Science Patna Bihara Nursing Officer Raini and Losik Assistant Administrative Officer Inkhat and Losik Khana alag post katam tak nom Losik hiba details si October date 30 and put 5th November Employment News page 20 in Husik Intumna Air Force direct recruitment of Group C civilian post in IAF LDC Lower Clerk Division, MTS multitasking, carpenter, cook, fireman, etc. Katamtak and Lo Haisik. Hibasika details see October date 30 and put 5th November. Employment news page 24 and 25 and it read. Malunggalhut adirangay zara in paeng, hiseng limhituning hitong sunga anhu trong sukthar ke, abang trong sukthar kantahi penok sihi kandulen pui kandri ke, kabakar sing chunikhe ngeda chibay.